Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is today's homework. I mean, I will explain, but also you have to practice. On the trial head, we have the concept of formula fields, where what are formula fields on that day I have explained, but once again I'm going to repeat that. Go to the hands-on work. Inside this hands-on work, launch. I think let me launch. So you have the other fields on the objects like currency field, checkbox field, master detail field, or lookup field. So similar to that fields, there is one type of field called uh, formula field. How we can create a formula field on any object? Let's see. Go to the object manager. Inside this object manager, open the object on which you want to create the formula field. Now I want to create a formula field on the account object. So I'm opening that. So how you'll create the fields? You'll once you open the object manager, then go to the particular object. Then inside that you'll go to the fields and relationships. Now open the click on this new button. So you'll be navigated to the page where you can create the fields. These fields we have seen, right? Almost all of the fields we have seen, including this lookup and relationship and the uh, master detail relationship. Okay. Now let me create a formula field. Now okay. Once I click on this formula field, let me give the label. Now let me suppose, let me see the other fields on the account object. There are different fields on the account object. Okay, account number, site, some other. Let me find some one of the. One second. Any currency? Yeah, currency. So we have the annual revenue. We have the annual revenue field, which is of a currency data type. Now, what I will do is, based on this field, I'll create another field. Okay, this is a currency field. Now, based on this field, I'll create another field called of sorry, quarterly revenue. Okay. Now, simple. I'm creating the other field called quarterly revenue. Okay. So quarterly revenue in the sense, divided by 4, right? Annual revenue by 4 will give me the quarterly revenue, because there will be 4 quarters in an year. So like that assumption, in that assumption, I am taking that annual revenue divided by 4. Okay. That will give me the average quarterly revenue. Okay. Now, I want this also in the currency only, the return type, the formula field, but the value will be displayed in terms of currency. Okay. Now click on the next. Here comes the formula editor. So here we have to write the formula. The steps are clear, right? Go to the object manager, then click on fields and relationships. Inside this fields and relationship, select the formula data type or formula type of field to create. Once you do that, in the previous slide, in the previous page, we have seen to give the name of the formula field and the return type. I mean, what is the type of the data you have to show? Is it currency? Is it string? Or is it text like that? I selected currency as a return type. Now select field type. This is account only. Sorry, not user. This is account only, because on account only I want to do the calculation. On which field I want to do the calculation? Annual revenue. So annual revenue. Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, it shows like insert merge field again.
Insert merge field is on what field you want to do calculations.
Okay.
So based on which field I want to calculate this field? Annual revenue. So that base field we have to select. Then divided by 4. I'm just calculating as a divided by 4. Or you can, instead of this, there is another way where you have the insert operator. So subtract, divide. So I'm doing division. So division by 4. Okay. Check the syntax. Means if you have given any errors or no. Okay. So no errors. You are okay. Now description based on annual revenue calculating average quarterly revenue. Okay. Quarterly revenue. Just a description for our sake. Then click on next. This, like where to display, where not to display. Page layouts. Save. Now let us go back to our org. Inside this org, let me open the application sales or service application. I am opening sales application, where I can find the tab for the accounts. Inside this accounts tab, I can find the objects. I can find the account object, and here you have the records. Now let me open one of the record. Pinpoint. Click on the details.
Annual revenue.
Annual revenue. Clear?
Yeah.
75,000,000. Okay. If you change this to 100, save, 25. Clear? So this kind of fields where we can calculate the field based on other fields or other parameters, that kind of fields are called as formula fields. Clear? Now let me go to the contacts. Click on one of the contact. Click on the details. Here you have the details of the contact, right? Now this contact can be associated with any of the accounts, right? The relationship between the contacts and the accounts. Accounts are like a company, and contacts are the persons whom you are going to deal in that company. Clear?
Yeah.
Did you remember that one? So I can associate the contacts to the accounts. So now what I'm doing is I'm assigning this contact to the gene point account. Okay. Now it's clear. Now what I'm going to do is go to the object manager again. Go to the object manager. Now I'm creating the formula field on the contact. Contact, fields and relationship. Then click on new. Then click on formula field. Now what I want to do is on the contact, I want to show the account number of gene point.
Okay.
Means what I am supposed to do is finding the gene points account number. Means account number is a field in the account. See, account number
Yeah.
number is a field inside the account object.
Account
So
object and
now this field I want to show in the contact object.
okay.
Okay, like uh, object is other, and that object's data I want to show in the another object. Okay, how I can do that is,
You have to select data type in contacts.
yes, select data type in contacts, then check on the what you call formula field, then give the name of the field like account number of associated account. Okay, then you select it's a number, you can select number or you can select text, it's better, it's up to us. So contact, if you click on contact, if you click on the merge field, there should be account. 1 second. I can write direct here account from dot. 1 minute, I'm getting the call.
Okay.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah.
So This field belongs to the account object, right? So I have mentioned account object, then account number. Okay, because if you see the field, it's account number, the API name, okay, the field name, and the object is account. So account dot account number. Okay, check for syntax, no errors. Okay,
Okay, we should select again currency type only here.
no, text, because
Text.
what is the field, what is the nature of the account number? It's a text.
Okay.
Okay, so based on that only I'm giving. Before I have used the annual revenue. Annual revenue is a currency. So based on that I have created. So I have used currency. It depends on the base field and on your requirement. Okay. Click on next. Click on next. Then save. Let me go to the John Connor. Then let me reload it. Account number. Where is account number? We didn't get account number.
Should we click on any visibility or something?
I think I didn't check something. No, give me a minute. Contacts. Open any contact. Details. Account name. Nice. Save. Some error, I think. We should see that,
Okay.
but
What did you give in the description part? Again, you divided by 4 only.
no. I haven't divided. Just I have used like a field of this one. Accounts field, account number I want to display. That's it. Division of 4. Why I have
Okay.
used, I want to divide the annual revenue by 4 and print it in the what we call print it in the
Total
quarterly revenue. But here the scenario is I want to print the account number of the associated account for the contact. So just I have mentioned account dot account number. Okay.
Okay.
So formula type I have mentioned this one, text. So field name is clear. Description number field number formula field. Sometimes this error I'm encountering multiple times. Only this org will do that. In other orgs, I won't get that. Somewhere settings I have to set. So this is already there. This only, right? The field account number of associated account we have created. Still we are not getting. Oh, what happened? Dot. Number. Account number spelling also correct. Syntax. No errors. Formula field visible. Not needed. We create on contact only. Okay. This is how the process goes to display the other objects detail which are related to each other. Account and contact are related, like so. To display such records data in another record, we can use the formula fields. Okay. Questions?
No.
So I'll find out why this issue is happening. Okay. But this is how it the process goes. See, here it is getting displayed.
Okay.
But not on the detailed screen. So I need to find out. Okay. This field is calculated upon save. I am saving. Where it is getting calculated? Okay, it is getting calculated, but it is not displaying. Okay. So this is the about the formula fields. Go with the formula fields, whatever I have shared. After that, just to try to understand this one. Try to understand. It will be very easy. If you understand master detail relationship and formula fields, then this will be easy. It is a combination of the both concepts, master detail relationship and formula fields. Okay. This shows how to calculate the details, child's data or child's some do calculations on the child records and print it on the master record like that. Okay. So it's similar to the formula fields. Understand formula, then understand the master detail relationship, which we have completed already. Almost 2 classes I have taken on that. Then you try to understand the roll-up summary fields. This question is for sure in the certification exams. They will be given the scenario and they will be asking us to use roll-up summary fields or formula fields or like that. Means which kind of field you want to go with the particular in this particular scenario. So you have to understand this roll-up summary fields, formula fields, and what is the difference like that. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet in the tomorrow's class. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Mhm.
Thanks everyone. Bye. Bye.